seen this in a dream. Oh my God. I dreamed this place. I might could use a helping hand. I don't know, this is blowing my mind. I've seen this in a dream. Oh my God. I dreamed this place.
We're at a cave.
Smile for the camera. If you saw this place earlier, it was covered in snow. But now it's not. The snow's melting. This is all we got. Ta-da! Right, the Aquarius. But just like the astrologers have been talking about, like, the aspects and the influence of Taurus, the planets in Taurus right now. It's like, well, Taurus is an earth sign, and it's a fixed earth sign. That'd be cool. Could I build a fire in there? We could both hang out here. It'd be cool. What do you think? We could build a little fire in there, and I'm going to put my tarp and my blanket out, and the stars must be amazing out here, huh? Wouldn't that be sweet? Just sleep and have like a little fire in the fireplace. That is so gorgeous. I want to drink it. I love those colors. Blue and pink. And, smoke less bee, smoke more green. D-H, D-A-G, D, A minor, G. I found my swimsuit. It was in my guitar case. Ah. That's glory. Anyhow, I know this is God's country up here. gorgeous skies. Surrounded by all this glorious glow.